In this video we're going to make a countdown timer, and of course we're going to use the time module. So let's import that, and once we import the time module we're going to use a functional approach. So we create a function called countdown. Okay, now inside countdown actually we're gonna pass in a parameter, okay, the number of seconds that you need to you're counting, the amount of time that you have in seconds. Next we need to have a loop, right? We're gonna use a while loop, not a for loop, and we're gonna check for seconds. Okay, as long as we have some time left we're gonna keep running the loop. So while seconds, meaning while the loop is running, or while there is some number in some time, we're gonna run the loop. Okay, so what are we gonna do in the loop? Well, before I do that, when the loop breaks, okay, here I'm gonna write the code for when the loop breaks. So I'm gonna say print time up, sorry, spelling, times up. This should have been like that. Okay, and we use this escape character because we already have this apostrophe or this inverted comma. Okay, then we're gonna have inside the while loop, we're gonna first of course print out the amount of time we have. So I'm going to print out how many seconds we have. Just gonna say seconds, and then that's how many are left. So seconds left. Then I am going to decrement this by 1, the seconds variable. But before that we have to use the time module. So we're going to make the program sleep for 1 second. Time dot sleep 1 second only, and there we have it. Now we run the code. Countdown, we call the function and we pass in, say we're gonna run for 5 seconds, right? So let's run. 5 seconds, 4 seconds left, 3 seconds, 2, 1, time's up. So that's how you do this.